Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by diagnosing the error, read the exact message and note any codes, because that tells you where to focus. Reproduce the failure step by step so you can observe cause and effect. Once done, collect logs and environment details including versions. Make sure to compare recent changes and dependency updates, since a small upgrade often introduces breakage. This focused evidence saves time and prevents guessing, and it gives you a clear hypothesis to test next. You now isolate the fault in a minimal environment. Strip unrelated features until the problem is reproducible. With that sandbox, apply a single targeted change so you can attribute effects accurately. Make a quick note of the expected outcome before you run it. Then execute unit and integration tests and observe behavior and side effects, because tests catch regressions that manual checks miss. If the fix fails, roll back immediately and try the next hypothesis while preserving diagnostic data. You deploy the validated fix cautiously. Use staging, feature flags, or a canary rollout so change scope is limited. Then verify critical user paths, performance metrics, and error rates. Monitor logs and alerts for new anomalies. Once stable, promote to production but keep a rollback plan ready because immediate issues can surface. If problems recur, try the single most effective troubleshooting step. Revert to the last known good state, then rerun tests and compare diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.